Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quesadillas in the air fryer. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need tortillas, your favorite cheese, and any fillings like cooked chicken or sautéed vegetables. Make sure your cheese is shredded and any meats or veggies are pre-cooked. Lightly spray or brush your air fryer basket with oil to ensure nothing sticks during cooking. This simple prep makes for a smooth cooking process. Now it's time to assemble your delicious quesadilla. Carefully place one tortilla flat into your prepared air fryer basket. Next, sprinkle a generous layer of cheese over the tortilla, leaving a small border. Add your pre-cooked fillings evenly over the cheese. Finally, add another layer of cheese on top of your fillings, then cover with a second tortilla. With your quesadilla assembled, it's time to air fry it to perfection. Set your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, flipping it gently halfway through the cooking time. This ensures both sides get beautifully golden brown and crispy. You'll know it's ready when the cheese is fully melted and bubbly, and the tortillas are perfectly toasted. Once your quesadilla is perfectly cooked, carefully remove it from the air fryer using tongs or a spatula. Let it cool for just a moment before transferring it to a cutting board. Slice your quesadilla into convenient wedges, typically 4 or 6 pieces, and serve immediately with your favorite toppings like salsa, guacamole, or sour cream. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to smart speaker deals and other great offers. Enjoy your quick and easy air fryer quesadilla.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.